All right, so we need to come up with an inequality. An inequality because it is not necessarily only exactly equal to the end result. I almost was going to say it, but I don't want to do that. So, how would you start to approach this problem? Maybe you try to break it down. What might you do? Who haven't I talked to? Reese. How's it going, Reese? All right. Did you come up with anything? Do you have an inequality or where we might put some of this information in the inequality? What's going on in the problem? What is this Jonathan trying to do? Yeah, he's trying to save up to buy some sports equipment, right? And the sports equipment costs $50. So in order to get it, he has to find $50. He has to get $50. Where might we put this $50 if that is kind of the end amount or total? Yeah, exactly. At the end of the problem. That's where you've got to start, right? Maybe you didn't start there, but that's one way of how to start. Okay. So we have to get to that $50. What else is going on? What else do we know? Isaiah.
We know that they saved $15 from his birthday.
Okay. Yes. And he saved it. He's already got that. So he doesn't have to wash windows for that amount because he already has that. Where am I going to put that $15? On the far left. Now, somebody asked, does it matter if this is like first or seconds in here? Doesn't really matter. Okay. This is the money he already has. So this is money he has. This is going to be money that he still needs.
You forget the $30.
The what?
He planned to charge $3 per
Right. $3 per window. And how does that going to work in this inequality? Bless you. Plus 3x. And what does x represent?
how much he needed.
Is it how much he needs?
The X is the windows.
What about the windows? The number of windows, right? X is the number of windows that he has to wash. And for each one he washes, it's going to be $3 that he earns. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Now I need an inequality. I need an inequality sign to put in here. Wait, let's share. You've shared a lot, and I appreciate that. Morgan, what do you think? Less than or equal to. Okay. Let's talk about this. Less than or equal to. So, what is the lowest amount he can make to be able to get this box set? 50 exactly, right? So, if I make less than that, is that going to be enough?
No, it's the more than.
Right. So, it's not going to be as less than or equal to, it's got to be greater than. Yes.
Because, like, if you have less than it, we won't be able to get anything.
Correct. But hey, sometimes, you're thinking that way because I think maybe what people saw, maybe is there something that says he needs at least? And so maybe at least you think less than. I'm trying to look now. Of course, I can't find it. Nope, it doesn't anyway. All right, so then how do I solve this? You've solved inequalities before. What do we do at this point? What?
Subtract the
Subtract, yes. We are trying to solve for x. Keep the x term there until you actually have it by itself. So this is a positive 15. I will subtract it to move it to the other side and also to subtract it from that side. Okay, 15 cancels out. 3x is greater than or equal to 35. All right, what do I do now?
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3, divide by 3. Wait, do I need to flip the sign?
No, it's not negative.
Right, we're not dealing with multiplying or dividing by a negative. So x is greater than or equal to 11.667.
It would be 6. Because at the end of the calculator it says 7.
Okay,
Round up to
okay. But what are we talking about here? What is x again?
the window.
What part of the window? Is it, I mean, what are we talking about?
The whole.
The whole window, yes, but we're talking about the number.
12.
Oh, you mean we can't go up to someone and say, hey, I only need $50. So can I just wash 6/10 of your window? We're not going to go up and do that? No. Why don't we go down? We went down the other day.
Because it's not greater than 5.
That's not true. I think it was greater than 5. Why don't we go down here? What if you only wash 11 windows? Is that enough? No. So it's 11.6 or more, which when you take it to the whole nearest window, we need 12 whole windows. Okay, 12 plus. 12 plus, okay? So then it talks about graphing. Since I need 12, I'm going to put 12 here in the middle. I always like to put whatever my answer is in the middle. That looks like a 6?
No, not in the middle feels like a 6, number 6. Because you put number 12 in.
Okay. Now, how am I going to graph this in terms of the problem? In terms of the problem we have.
12, 11, 10, and 9.
12, 11, 10, and 9. That's what you said, right?
I don't know. Wait, hold on.
I don't know.
Oh, no.
Look back at your original answer. X must be greater than or equal to...
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh. Yeah. So don't you hate it when I do that and you guys all write what I write? Yeah, you should learn to pause before you just write, because I will follow what people say. Okay? Because I want to see if they can correct their own mistakes. So 12 is definitely an answer. What else would be an answer? 13, 14, 15, 16. What about 17?
Yes.
It could be. Now wait a minute, Miss Speedy, 200 is also greater than or equal to 11.6. Is that a realistic answer for washing windows? No. So keep in mind what is realistic, okay? Now, I'm going to go one step further. I know my 10 minutes are almost up. This in the math world, we would say 11.6, and we would put a closed circle. Shh, Harlan. At least I got your name right this time. We would put a closed circle with an arrow, but when it becomes a real problem talking about real life and windows, you don't have 11.6 windows, so that's why we have the graph as 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, okay? Make sure you know the difference. Is this just a math equation, Or is this equation dealing with the real problem? Okay? Any questions about this one single problem that we did today?
Yes. No.
No? All right, I can go back. Just a reminder that the test is next Friday, 1 week from today. On Monday, I will probably give the review. That way, if you want to start on it, you can. Wednesday, I will have you work on the review in class without me. I might be bebopping around if you have small questions. And then Thursday, I'll answer any questions. Okay? Also, I will not be here Wednesday after school. So I will have a tutoring session on Thursday. I usually do Mondays, Wednesdays now, but it will be Mondays and Thursdays. Okay? I have a doctor's appointment on one day and a dentist appointment. Also, homeworks 3 and 4, like I said, I started grading these now. I will be grading them. Homework number 4 was just added yesterday, so most of you haven't done that yet. And also homework number 3 was added just this week. So make sure you are working on your homework and getting that done. Okay?